Are you a student looking to earn some extra cash? Well, I've got 3 amazing websites that can help you make real money, and trust me, the third one is absolutely mind-blowing. Welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, I'm going to share 3 fantastic platforms where you can start earning money right now. Whether you're looking to make a little on the side or something more substantial, these options are perfect for students like you. Let's dive right in. Website number 1, Trimata.com. First up, we have Trimata.com. This site is super simple to use. All you need to do is test out different websites and provide your feedback. It's that easy. For every test you complete, you earn $10. Just think about it, you can earn money while helping improve websites. It's a win-win. Once you register, you can start taking tests right away, and before you know it, you'll have some extra cash in your pocket. Website number 2, Billo.app. Next on our list is Billo.app. This platform is great for those who love creating content. With Billo, you can make short-form videos for various brands. And here's the best part. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. Just create the video, submit it to the brand, and get paid for your work. It's a fun way to express your creativity and earn money at the same time. Plus, as a student, you can easily fit this around your studies. Website number 3, Cambly.com. Now, let's talk about the last website, and trust me, it's a game changer. Cambly.com. If you speak English, this is the perfect opportunity for you. You don't need to be a native speaker or have any teaching certificates. What's fantastic about Cambly is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere in the world and set your own hours. How cool is that? They pay between $10 and $12 per hour, and the best part? You get paid weekly, directly to your bank account. It's a straightforward way to earn money while balancing your studies. So there you have it. 3 incredible websites where you can start making real money as a student. Whether you're testing websites on Trimata.com, creating videos on Bill.app, or teaching with Cambly.com, there's something for everyone. I hope this helps you find a way to earn some extra cash while still focusing on your studies. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.